Hi there, Chris here with Vita Solare here in Naples, and we're talking about the outside fan and how to turn it on and where the remote is. So I'm here in the sitting room, so you can see, and if you come to the far wall, you've got a double panel of switches. So on the right-hand side here are the lights, little can lights. There's two can lights, that's the right switch. I'll turn those off. And then the left switch here is the big fan. You'll see that right there. So this is the remote for the big fan. Looks like this. It says Tropos Air on it. And so if we hit the light, that turns the light on and off. And then you can see that on the remote we've got high, medium, and low. So we'll kick it into medium. You can see the fan going there, and you could obviously turn it all off just by coming back to the switch here in the sitting room and turning it off right there. So that's how to use the fan. That's the remote for the outside fan. So enjoy the outdoors.